What is up, guys? So today is a quick one because it's Grammy Oaks' birthday, so we got dinner plans tonight, but we got a couple hours to get some things done. And today, the goal is to prep Brian's E46 for assembly, I guess that we could say, right?
Yeah, I mean, obviously you can see it looks disgusting.
Disgusting.
And, you know, if we're going to take something apart, we can't just leave it like that. You know how it is around here.
No. So the goal is today to clean up his engine bay because the paint's good. Just filthy. Everything's filthy.
We assume. I mean, I can't see the paint.
I think it's good. the dirt and grime has been protecting it for years. So we're going to clean up the engine bay. We got everything taped off already, so we're going to power wash it. We're going to pull the trans, clean that, check out his old clutch because I'm dying to see what that looks like.
I really want to know how much is left.
That thing has more clutch kicks on a stock clutch than I think ever in history.
Since the last event, I mean, the amount of pedal throw that I have has decreased every day.
And then once it's all cleaned up and ready to go, we'll start fresh tomorrow, and we can start throwing everything back together, which is huge. So if you guys don't know what's going on, we pulled Brian's engine out of his E46. We got his M52 out, and we're throwing his new M54 330 ZHP engine in.
M54 B30 swap. That's what's going on.
So Brian's getting more displacement and more power. So, all right, dude, let's just get a good before because this is always satisfying. I love watching these types of videos. Just, dude, this thing's almost as dirty as you.
Dude, Aiden's gonna love this.
If you know, you know.
Wait, you just said this almost.
You denying it. If only we could power wash your interior too.
Hey, whoa! We need a black interior swap.
Yeah,
that's what I need.
All right, let's get this thing outside. Well, we picked the perfect day for it.
It's gorgeous out.
Beautiful.
Even Mother Nature wants this thing clean. We match.
Yo, you look good in that shit.
Yo, back engine on.
Shout out Import Works, acid wheel cleaner, not just for wheels.
Okay, I don't know if we're supposed to use on paint, but
Wheels are painted.
that's what my thought was. So. It works really freaking well on wheels, so we'll see how it does for this. Oh my god!
Unreal.
This is about to be the best glow up of 2020.
I don't know, you remember when I got that haircut? Ready, boys?
Let's get the business.
All right, here we go.
Hit it!
Brian, I don't know about you, but my satisfaction level is immeasurable right now.
Well, you live a simple life.
You're damn right I do.
This is great.
It looks so cute.
I should be on putting information page. Excuse me.
Email Finn.
Hey Ben, hook me up.
Hook him up.
Wait, no, is that Rod? No, Rod, help me out here.
On the record that Brian just used carpet cleaner on his engine bay. He's really going for it.
All right, well, there we go. Clean slate. Beautiful. Let's get an engine back in this thing. Let's pull that tranny off because we got to wash that too.
Yeah, but I mean, 99% of this engine bay is covered once everything's back in, but it'll feel good having
Hey, the few spots that we will see are gonna look phenomenal.
the strut towers.
Yeah, they're gonna look great.
All right, guys, let's take this thing apart, get this all cleaned up, and officially see how trash Brian's clutch is.
It's gotta be super trash.
We can't even be upset, dude. This clutch lasted about 7 times longer than I thought we all.
No, like, I mean, since I got this car, I've been getting DMs from people like, don't clutch kick your car on a dual mass flywheel, it'll explode. I've done it like 1,000 times.
This is not the wrench for this.
Dude, your poncho's getting in the way. I can't even see. Woo! I think you broke the ratchet. Yo, has Harbor Freight ever sponsored a YouTube channel? Hop into Harbor Freight's DMs.
Or Tang. That sounds nice too.
Who?
Tang?
Who the fuck is Tang? Oh, the
Chris Fix, TJ Hunt.
What?
Big names.
Who?
Tang.
Tang.
Like the
Tang.
orange drink?
No, it's like Tang.
Or like Chipotle mayo when it has a little bit of tang.
Lemonade. They got Tangs. Tangs. It's T-E.
No, isn't his name Randy?
What is that?
Tools!
What is Tangs?
Clearly don't watch enough Eliminate.
That's a tool brand? I just buy Snap-on.
Snob.
I thought you said your name wasn't Moneybags.
It's not. It's payment bags.
It's bougie
weekly
Brian.
payment bags, Brian.
Wow.
Yeah. All right. Is this in the original clutch to this car? Somebody tell me. It's a Luck clutch.
Whoa.
It's a Luck pressure plate.
You've had good luck with it.
Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff falling out.
Look at all the dust out of it. Ooh.
Grab it. Oh God.
No way. Wow, that thing's super great on that.
But look, there's no lines left, so I guess it is pretty freaking bad.
It's the heat, dude. Like, the amount of heat you put in this clutch is ridiculous.
Oh man, look how much cracks there is. Listen to it.
ASMR.
Oh my God.
That's insane.
Well,
It says BMW on it. I'm assuming this is probably the original clutch to my car.
luckily, we got a bitchin' clutch upgrade for Brian this time around, so this is awesome. Now, let's get this thing outside and make it look a little bit more presentable.
Oh, did it stop raining? Let's not get the camera wet. Jim!
She ain't perfect, but it's a lot better for a 20-year-old transmission.
Dude, this thing looks brand new to me. But it's good, because Brian's new engine, honestly, like, even though it's
super
what,
clean.
Your new engine's what, 06?
It's an 06.
But it looks brand new, so Brian's drivetrain is gonna look factory fresh. All new bushings, all new gaskets, it all looks nice on the outside.
You're gonna make some power finally.
I'm gonna crash it.
Into me.
Friendship goals.
Friendship goals. So, man, that's really, I'm so happy how that cleaned up. Well, we got a clean slate for the week. Now it's assembly time.
Yeah, man. I'm excited. Time to grind, time to start working on that M54. Dude, we're always shining, all right? It's, you know when it's time to shine? Now, later, earlier, always.
The hell is that? Okay, easy, old lady. I am not in my own vehicle. My mom. In my G. Hey, you know you have no lights on? And it's raining and it's cloudy? It's dangerous for someone your age.
It's you little f***er. It's raining? And what do you mean by my age?
You know exactly what I meant. There was no
Come a little
No, I'm
closer.
not going near you.
A little closer.
I'm not going near
Why
you.
are you running away?
Because I don't want to be near you, because you're angry and violent.
Come back. Here, come back. Get over here, you little
Hi, May.
What's up, kitties?
All right, so we got Brian's beautiful new engine. This thing looks immaculate. We got the remanufactured looking transmission, but it's super clean, and it's nice to finally see this car cleaned up, at least in the engine bay. It honestly doesn't even look like the same car anymore. For someone who's super meticulous, he's not that meticulous when it comes to dirt and grease. So this is definitely awesome to see. So the goal is to hopefully have this thing running by the weekend. Really, we just gotta make sure everything shows up in time. There was a couple parts we completely forgot about, and well, I ordered them yesterday, so fingers crossed. So today was a short video, but tomorrow we have a banger, and I am so excited to film it. So stay excited, stay tuned. If you guys are a Patreon, you'll find out tomorrow morning. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.